आरपोरा इश्यू जालो पळय खुबशे लेबर हांगसर कामाक येता ते थंयसर सेफ्टी नाशिल्ल्यान थंयसर एक्सपायर जाले तुमी कितलेशे लेबर लॉज आशिल्ले तेच्या आतां कितें म्हणून
See, if there is any labor issue, our labor department, basically a commissioner will look into it. Okay? I have not got any report as far as the commissioner is concerned, but I will seek his report.
तुम्ही मागतले
I will ask a report from our commissioner. If there were any laborers, any laborers died in that incident. No, that is. See, I cannot tell you offhand, no, because I am not aware. I said I will ask the commissioner if any laborers, basically, if any laborers died in that incident. That's what I will ask the commissioner.
तुम्ही ऑफिसर सस्पेंड केले ते कमेंट केले कित्याक घाई आसले तिका 3 ऑफिसर इथून सस्पेंड केले
See, now basically what has happened? Now investigation, CM has already asked for magisterial investigation. Let that investigation happen. Let the whoever is the who's culprit, let them come out. Then we will see.
ऍक्शन घेतली ती बरी झाली ना म्हणून 3 ऍक्शन घेतली तिने
So in the office.
See, first and foremost to tell you, department doesn't come under me. These are the different departments, and there are head of this department. So head of the department basically is taking a call on it. So it will not be right on my part basically to comment on someone else's department.
सर सेरेंडिपिटी ते उजो पेटलो सर बाकीचे जे स्ट्रक्चर्स आसा तांचे तुमी कितें इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिल्ले आसा पणजेन खास करून कारण मोठे स्ट्रक्चर्स आसा खुबशे लोकूय येतले सेरेंडिपिटी फेस्टिवलाक
लास्ट इयर तो उजो लागलेलो आणि पयर कला घेऊन उजो लागलो
I have already got a clip of that fire. I have sent that clip basically to the commissioner to look into it.
सर आता हे नाईट क्लबाक उजो लागला आणि आता गव्हर्नमेंटाक 3 जण ऑफिसर हे सस्पेंड केल्ल्या इज इट राईट सस्पेंड केला तेजेर एक्चुअली
See, this thing, I felt that what happened, government has already initiated an inquiry through magisterial inquiry. Government should have just waited basically for them to basically to find on whose fault basically that it comes up.
मॅजिस्ट्रेटाची इन्क्वायरी चालू
No, त्यांना कळतले पुढे नो कोण who is the blame, no who is to be blamed and all that would come there no through his inquiry.
वर्ल्ड टॉप आयपीएस ऑफिसर तेंचेर प्रेशराइज करतालो पुलिसांचेर की तेजेर काय करप ना
See that आता कितें जालें as far as IPS officers all that comes under home department honorable chief minister is there, he is the chief minister plus home department is under him, so he will decide on his thing. I cannot comment on his portfolio no.
Sir, last time also in the Murmugao.
Put me in problem.
Sir, last time also the Murmugao, the same incident happened where the 3 to 5 labor has been died. So, what type of action you people have taken as the labor?
See, whatever action needs to be taken, action has been taken. I am telling you, just go to our commissioner. You get the full report from him. He will give you the full.
commissioner doesn't speak to us, sir.
Commissioner of labor just go and meet.
Commissioner of
He will speak. Okay.
So, new labor law is implemented by central. So,
How you all grill us? You go and grill him.
सर
We are not grilling, sir. We are just asking because we want answers.
No,
Sir,
yeah.
new labor.
ट्रेजेडी घडल्या उपरांत तुम्ही म्हणता अशे लेबरांचे जे व्हेरिफिकेशन जातले अशे प्रत्येक फावटी म्हणटा की आता गोंयांत जे क्लब आणि कितली हे चलता तेजेर लेबर जे काम करतात तेंचेर कितें हे आसा
बाबा आमची
क्लॅरिटी आसा
सी हांव कितें म्हणून सांगता तुमकां म्हाजें हें व्हेरी क्लियर आहा आमच्या लेबरांक जर कितें हें जालेलें आहा इफ anyone died in this incident as far as labor is concerned, our labor department basically will take whatever action needs to be taken. Our labor department will take action, and our labor department takes action. You can just find out. We have got different schemes basically, and all the schemes basically are implemented.
So, now new labor law has
It
been
is wrong.
implemented. Sir,
Yes.
new labor law.
सर न्यू लेबर लॉ आसा न्ही ताजे
Arey
अवेअरनेस
Baba, listen to me. Now inquiry, they are carrying on the inquiry. No, CM has already ordered an inquiry. So let the inquiry basically take place. No, let that be, the inquiry. Let the inquiry. I think it's for 1 week or within 1 week's time. Let the inquiry be completed.
The voice for Koi.